Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, let's get warmed up. We are going to be writing our first Python program. For this, you can use any text editor you would like. I recommend Visual Studio Code, which I'm using, or you can use something like Sublime or PyCharm, Notepad++. You can also use Notepad++, which I have used in the past. If you don't have a text editor, pause now and go get one. We will be using them for challenging challenges in this course. And a text setter is an essential tool for programming in any language. So go back to your Visual Studio Code. Let me open Visual Studio Code here. Okay. Now, now create a file called hello.py. Create a file called hello.py. Press enter. Okay. Hello.py and open it in your text editor of choice. .py is the file extension for Python files, and we are just going to type a single line of Python code that will print text hello world to the screen. So, okay, let's get started with the write down the code. Write down print function within the parenthesis, write single quotes. In the single quotes, type hello world. That's it. Okay. So this is the print function. It takes whatever text is passed into these parentheses and just prints it out to the terminal. And notice that I have surrounded the text with these single quotes. So this is not actual part of the text, but it tells Python, okay, I am about to start writing some text. What it tell to the Python? I'm about to start writing some text. So these codes are important. We can also write a comment. So let's give a couple of lines space here and start with the comment start with a hash, and this is just human readable text that's completely ignored by the computer when it's running the program. So comments are handy to make notes to other programmers and remind yourself what align this coding. And I'm just going to write the comment print hello world. Print hello world. That's it. So save this file now and go back to your command prompt. Before going to your command prompt, say after saving this, right click on this hello.py file. Why? Because I'm using this within Visual Studio. I mean, which I have written the code in Visual Studio using Visual Studio, right? So copy the path. Now then open your command prompt. Once you open the command prompt, just right click. That's it. It's going to paste the full physical path of your file. Then press enter. Here you go. See, I can run our hello.py and we can see that our file is running, executed, and it prints out a hello world. Congratulations, you are a Python Programmer, okay? Go and take a break, add Python to your LinkedIn skills sections, okay? As we put this into practice. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you again.